Hello everyone. Today we will study chapter 3, the Northern Mountains part 2. Contents of this part are life in the Northern Mountains, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and West Bengal, as well as the northeastern states known as the Seven Sisters. In very first part of this chapter, we had seen the northern part of India is bounded by many groups of mountains in which important are Karakoram, Ladakh and the three parallel ranges of Himalayas. They are the highest mountain in the world. Among the three parallel ranges of Himalayas are the Himadri or the Greater Himalayas. It is the northernmost range and highest range in the world. All the important highest peaks of the world are found in this range. Many rivers originate from the glaciers. Gangotri is one among the very important glacier from which river Ganga originates. Next mountain range is Himachal or the Middle Himalayas. Himachal range in which many beautiful hill stations are found, and the southernmost range is called Shivalik or Outer Himalayas, which remains covered with thick dense forest. We also studied that mountains act as a border between India and neighboring countries. Used for cultivation, slopes are used for cultivation of tea, provide fertile soil in plains, used for cultivation of varieties of crops. Water is used for generation of electricity. Now we will study about the life in northern mountains. Life in northern mountains. A number of states are located in northern mountains. They are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh. Now Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir, we have already studied. Now it is divided into two union territories, but as it is written in book, so we will follow, but we will remember. It is union territories divided into two union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. So it is entirely mountainous areas, very cold in winters. Srinagar is summer capital and Jammu is winter capitals of state and Leh is the capital of Ladakh. The beautiful Kashmir Valley is a favorite of tourists. It is surrounded by snow-covered mountains and has the lovely Dal and Vular lakes. Houses on boats are called houseboats, which float on the lake. These are mostly used as hotels. Small boats are called shikaras, which are used for boating and as floating shops. The traditional loose kurta worn by men and women in Kashmir is called firan. See, this women putting on firan. And to keep warm in winters, people in Kashmir keep an earthen pot which is known as kangri. See, the picture of kangri is beneath their firan. Now see Jammu and Kashmir, which has become two union territories. Ladakh, this part is Ladakh and here it is Jammu and Kashmir. people, families in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, shikaras, Dal Lake. These shikaras are in Buller Lake. The people of Kashmir make beautiful handicrafts from wood, brass, silver, and paper mat. Saffron is a special crop of this area. Kashmiri, Dogri, Urdu, Ladakh are the languages spoken here. And the favorite festivals of this region are Eid and Shivratri. Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh, with its snow-clad mountains, is a very beautiful state. Its capital is Shimla. Thousands of tourists visit the hill stations of Shimla, Dalhousie, Kullu, Manali every year. The toy train, which takes people from Kalka to Shimla, is a special attraction of this region. The climate here is ideal for growth of fruits like apple, cherries, plums, apricot, peaches, etc. The traditional clothes of women include tight pajamas and loose kurtas with scarves around their heads. The men wear tight pajamas and loose shirts with colorful caps. Hindi is official language of the state, but people mostly speak in Pahari. The main festivals are Dashara and Diwali. The Dashara celebrations of Kullu are famous. People come. See the map of Himachal Pradesh, toy train which run between Shimla to Kalka. See the men and women putting on colorful dresses. Beautiful hill stations, Shimla, the hotel for tourists. That's all for today. In our next video, we will study about the life of people in other states of Himalayas. Thank you.